Let's talk real for a minute. We all have heard the debates about abortion rights and Roe vs. Wade. However, do you know the details of the case and why it's important to everyone? Well, here is the background. Norma McCorvey became pregnant in 1969 and wanted to have an abortion. However, Texas law prohibited abortion except to save the mother's life. McCorvey filed a lawsuit against Henry Wade, the district attorney of Dallas County, challenging the constitutionality of the Texas abortion law. Roe vs. Wade was a landmark 1973 Supreme Court case that legalized abortion nationwide in the United States. Here are some key details. Right to privacy and abortion. The court ruled that the right to privacy, implicit in the 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause, protects a woman's right to choose to have an abortion. This right wasn't absolute, though. The court created a trimester framework. In the first trimester, the woman has the exclusive right to abortion with minimal state intervention. In the second trimester, states could regulate abortion procedures to protect the woman's health. In the third trimester, after fetal viability, when the fetus could survive outside the womb, states could restrict or ban abortion, except when necessary to preserve the woman's life or health. Legacy. Roe v. Wade was a controversial decision and a source of ongoing debate about abortion rights in the United States. The decision was overturned in 2022 by the Supreme Court case Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization. This returned the right to regulate or ban abortion to individual states. Donald Trump quotes on abortion. 1. I am pro-life. I am totally against abortion, having to do with life. 2. I am pro-life, and I will be appointing pro-life judges. 3. Abortion is a very serious problem. It's a tremendous problem. 4. I am against abortion and will fight for every unborn child. 5. I will appoint judges who will overturn Roe vs. Wade. 6. Abortion is murder, plain and simple. 7. I will defund Planned Parenthood because of their abortion activities. 8. Abortion is the taking of a human life, and we must stop it. 9. Abortion is a disgrace, and we must put an end to it.
Let's dive deep into one of the most controversial and impactful Supreme Court cases in American history, Roe v. Wade. But before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's start by asking some crucial questions. How did it shape the landscape of reproductive rights in the United States? And perhaps most importantly, what has been the impact on women, particularly those from marginalized communities, since the Supreme Court reversed it? Roe v. Wade, decided in 1973, was a landmark ruling by the United States Supreme Court that recognized a woman's constitutional right to choose whether to have an abortion. This decision fundamentally shifted the conversation around reproductive rights, granting women autonomy over their own bodies. Legal scholar. Roe v. Wade was a watershed moment in American jurisprudence. It established that the right to privacy, as outlined in the 14th Amendment, includes a woman's decision to terminate her pregnancy. However, despite its monumental significance, Roe v. Wade has been a lightning rod for controversy ever since. And in recent years, with shifts in the composition of the Supreme Court, there have been increasing challenges to its precedent. The reversal of Roe v. Wade is catastrophic for women, especially those who are already marginalized and disenfranchised. Access to safe and legal abortion is essential for women's health and autonomy. Studies have shown that restricting access to abortion disproportionately affects low-income women, pushing them further into poverty and limiting their economic opportunities. So what's the bottom line? The reversal of Roe v. Wade have far-reaching consequences for women across the country, particularly those who are already marginalized and vulnerable. As voters, it's crucial to stay informed about these issues and advocate for policies that protect women's rights and autonomy. Knowledge is the key to being an informed voter. If you support women, use your power to vote, or you may lose more rights. Keep the conversation going, put your opinion in the comments. Oscar the Old Guy, life coach, and ALS warrior.
Support the channel, subscribe, like, comment, and share.